up, you guys? Welcome back! My name is Olivia Garcia, and it is nice to meet ya. Yeah. I don't know. I'm gonna try to stick with that catch line. We'll see what happens. But today we're gonna be doing a review. I probably shouldn't have shaken that, but you know, it is a Sephora Playbox review today. I kind of made it look really ratchet because I like tried to scribble my name out and then tried to peel the tag off. So like, whatever. This is from December 2017. This is their box from then. So yeah, we're gonna open it. I really love their packaging. First of all, let's just start off with that because don't mind this ugly thing I tried to scratch out. But like their packaging, look at that. I love them. So yeah. So you open it up and it says, love, tips, tricks, and beauty hacks, Sephora.com/play. So yeah, this is what it looks like when you open the box. It's super cute, and they have actually a little informational card, and you get 50 beauty insider points with the box. So you take this little card off, and then you take it to Sephora and they scan it and put it on your account, which is really cool. And so this little pamphlet here, it's kind of cute. Look at how they do like a whole little graphic on the back. It like shows all the different reviews and stuff from all over the country. And then it goes ahead and talks about what we got in this month's box. Let's take this out. And then we'll take out the little bag. I love these little bags. This one says Glam Straight. And it's so cute. It's like a little satiny material. It's so cute. Let's open. Ooh, what's inside? What's inside? Oh, there's so much stuff in here. Alright, so the first thing on the list here is the Smashbox eyeshadow. Let's see what it looks like. They're so pretty. Oh, it has like a little mirror. Look at that. Oh, you can kind of see the camera, but whatever. Sorry, guys. So, yeah, they're really pretty. I'll do like a little swatch for you guys. Ooh, they have so much pigment in them. What? I've never tried a Smashbox eyeshadow before, so I'm really excited to have these. Ooh, I love these. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the shades are Turned On and Psyched. You can kind of see those. They're very like glowy. I really like these a lot. I'm gonna be using them. Ooh. Okay, so what it says. This is a high pigment eyeshadow palette featuring warm bronzy shades. So it shows you, oh, it even tells you how to use this. So it says using an eyeshadow brush or your fingers, sweep across your eyelids before applying eyeliner or mascara. Everyone pretty much knows that. So if you didn't know that, it's good to know. So I'm really excited to try this. And it has like a little mirror and stuff. It's so cute. Like this is the back if you're wondering. So yeah, that was like, oh. I followed them on Instagram and their Instagram is like so cool. Alright, next one. We're gonna go with the Makeup Forever lipstick. Ooh, okay. Hey. It's so cute. Look at the little box. I love like the little mini travel sizes because then you can like try things out before you actually get them in the store and buy the full size. That's what I normally do anyway. So this one is C211 Artist Rouge Cream. Focus, there we go. Yeah. It's so cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this. Look at the little thing. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, I love like light pink nude colors. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that right there. Look at how beautiful that is. I love that color. So this one is the middle one right here. You can see it. It's Makeup Forever Artist Rouge Lipstick in Rosewood. So that's the name. Or C211. Your pick. An ultra creamy high pigmented lipstick formula for a classic bold lip look that lasts. That's kind of a tongue twister, but like, I agree. It's very high pigment. Oh, it's beautiful. It's It's like a beautiful color. Okay. All right. So the next one, I'm gonna be using that one too. Sometimes it's like hit or miss. So sometimes you'll get things that you don't really feel like, oh, maybe I won't use them. And you'll use them occasionally. But these two so far, I'm gonna be using like on the regular. And I might end up going to buy the actual big size. So we'll see. So the next one is by Bumble and Bumble. It's a thickening spray for your hair. I love this company. I love their stuff. It's so nice. Let's see how it smells. That's what I always do with every hair product to make sure my hair is not gonna smell weird. Ooh, it kind of has like an apple-y smell. I know that's kind of like a weird thing to say, but it smells like apples. All right, so it's this one right here. Okay, so it is Bumble and Bumble Thickening Bumble and Bumble Thickening Volume Hairspray. Ooh, it's a hairspray. Okay. A setting spray that extends your style, lifts out the roots, and makes hair appear full and voluminous. Ooh. So what you do is to finish your look, mist evenly over styled strands of hair. To add texture, spray all over wet or damp hair before styling or air drying. So I guess you can use it when your hair is dry or when your hair is wet, which is kind of cool. Yeah, so I'm definitely gonna try this out. I'm not a big hairspray user, but like when I do like my curls and stuff especially, we're gonna test this one out. Okay, oh, the next one is my favorite, but I use the waterproof version, but like still it's the same exact mascara, just one's waterproof. Better Than Sex Mascara by Too Faced. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's like such a cute little, look at how cute this little tiny tube is. And then we're gonna go ahead and open it. Look at that. Look at that brush. I love this brush. It's like, oh, is that weird that I smell everything? Like, whatever, I just smell everything. It's not a big deal. So it's by Too Faced, obviously. So it's their Better Than Sex mascara, which, oh, it's like, do you see my eyelashes right now, you guys? Like, that is this mascara. Like, it is wonderful. It is such good mascara. So it's a deep black, oh, okay. A deep black formula with an hourglass shaped wand that volumizes and separates lashes. Yes, yes, and yes, obviously. Using the wand, start with 2 to 3 coats of mascara and apply more for added drama. I use about 3 coats. I put 1 coat on, let it dry. Second coat, let it dry. Third coat, dry, and then spray my face with setting spray, and we're done. Okay, the next one. Ooh, I love It Cosmetics. Oh, okay. So the next one is a moisturizing super cream by It Cosmetics. Alright, so this is how it comes, a little packaging. It's super cute. Back, yeah. I love its little travel sizes. They make me like so excited. I feel like I'm like a giant holding like little tiny things. Maybe I'm just weird. Okay, let me get back on track. Alright, so we're gonna open this up now. Come on, come on. Oh, it's pretty big. Like, the other ones I've gotten haven't been like this big, but it's a good size. Alright, so let's see what it says. It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream, a clinically tested face cream that visibly smooths, plumps as it hydrates. Oh my god, I can't speak. A clinically tested face cream that visibly smooths and plumps as it hydrates. How to use? Apply in upward motions to clean skin in the morning and at night. Use on face, neck, and reapply daily. So yeah, I'm super excited. How do you open this? Oh, it's got like the child safety lock. You gotta like squeeze and twist. Oh, it smells so good. Look at you guys. Look at all that cream I get. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's feel. Ooh, it's like light. It's like, oh, can't wait to put this on tonight. I can't even like, I want to say it has like a flowery citrus mixed smell. I don't really know how to describe it, but like, I'll let you guys know how this one works. Because I've gotten a couple other ones from my play boxes and I've loved them so far. So like, I gotta try them all first and then I'll buy the one that I really want. Is my camera recording? Yes, it is. Oh my god, I would have died if it wasn't recording. All right, the last one is a Dior perfume, because they always give you a little fragrance. They give you like a couple of things of makeup and a skincare and then a fragrance. So yeah, so it comes in like a little package like this. I think their fragrance ones are so cute. And they got like a little perfume in there. It has like a little information card about it. Oh, look at how it normally looks. A little bow on it. It's so cute. Okay, so let's take it out. Ooh. Oh, it smells really nice. All right, so let's see. Let's see what it says. Let me see if I can say it right. I'm gonna try. Eau de parfum. We'll see. If you guys know French, let me know if I said it good. Eau de parfum. Maybe I'm just saying with a Brazilian accent. Whatever. Alright, so it's a classic feminine fragrance with playful citrus notes and a rose heart. Ooh, okay. So it is a floral fragrance. Has bergamot notes in it. So its top notes are bergamot. I don't know what that is. Middle notes grass rose and May rose, and then base notes rosewood and pink peppercorn. Pink peppercorn. Oh my god, I can't speak. So let's see. Spray some on the. Oh, got it on my nose. Let me sneeze. Ooh, but I really like that. That's really nice. I use Versace Bright Crystal Absolute, so it's very florally smell. It's not. I don't want to say it's similar to it, but it's much sweeter than the Bright Crystal would be. So yeah, that's all the stuff in this month's play box, you guys. I love these little like posters they give you. Like, they're so cute. Like, it has like a bunch of little like stuff on them. Each one has like a different theme. So I guess this one was kind of more of like a New Year's theme to it, like end of the year review kind of thing. I don't know. But I love these little 50-point cards you get, because you can always rack up points and then redeem them for like travel size stuff at the counter. And they're like, do you want to get this thing today? I'm like, no. And then when I see one I really want and I have like 500 points added up, and I'm like, oh, I need this one. Give it to me now. Yeah. So yeah, if you're looking for like a makeup subscription box, definitely get this one, because you can rack up your Sephora points with it. You can rack up points, and then you can get your, it's like 10 bucks a month. It's not even that much money. It's like 10 bucks a month, and you get a box every month with like a bunch of different stuff in it. Like, hello, these right here like made my box already, because I'm gonna go ahead and use these. Like, ah! So yeah, I definitely recommend subscribing to this box, because like, who doesn't love Sephora? Like, come on, you guys, who doesn't love Sephora? Alright, so if you guys want to see me do like a little makeup tutorial with this eyeshadow, or like whatever, I don't know, anything in here you want to see me do, like give you like a little like routine kind of thing, leave a comment below. Let me know what you all thought of this video in the comments below. If you have any subscription boxes you think I should try, leave it in the comments below. Yeah. Alright, so that's all I got for you today, you guys. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification button over there, or it's over there. I don't really know what it is, but yeah, it's somewhere. So yeah, give this video a big thumbs up too if you liked it, and please subscribe to my channel and tell me what you all think. This is my second video. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm like really excited to do this. So yeah. So let me, ow, I just hit my hand. So let me know what you guys think. Okay, I'm gonna stop being weird now. So yeah, you guys, bye!